Can you stand up? Stand up. No. Oh, we missed our chance. She just stood up before. Now she doesn't want to. Bella now knows how to stand up on her own. She doesn't do it all the time. And she was having fun. She was having fun with Daddy's shoes. Ta-da! Bella, can you stand up? No. Some other time we'll catch it. Ta-da! Can you stand up? Ta-da! Good! Good job! Oh, you want to put your foot back in? Well, I'm going to have to put the camera down. Okay. Bella, can you say bye-bye? Yeah, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. 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 No. Earlier today she was pretending to blow a kiss. No. Okay. Ciao, ciao.